Hello friends, welcome to our Rockstar Virat Power YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about T.S. Eliot, American and English poet and playwright and literary critic, and most important point regarding him. So it will be useful for you for UGC, NET set preparation and English literature preparation also. Now we will see about T.S. Eliot and in full Thomas Turner Eliot. He is born in September 26, 1888, St. Louis, Missouri, and he died in January 4, 1965 in London, England. You can see. Then American English poet, playwright, literary critic and editor, a leader of the modernist movement in poetry in such work as The West Land. तर इथे पहा, तुम्हाला हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की त्यांनी कोणकोणतं काम केलेलं आहे. इंग्लिश पोएट, प्लेराइट, लिटररी क्रिटिक, एडिटर, लीडर ऑफ द मॉडर्निस्ट मूवमेंट इन पोएट्री इन सच वर्क ॲज, आणि हा वर्क फार महत्त्वाचा आहे तो म्हणजेच द वेस्ट लँड इन 1922 अँड 4 क्वार्टेट्स 1943. बट व्हेनेवर वी आर प्रिपेरिंग फॉर UGC नेट, we have to know about in detail information about the West Land. Okay, Eliot exercised a strong influence on Anglo-American culture from the 1920 until late in the century. His experiment in dictation style and versification revitalized English poetry, and in a series of critical essays he shattered old orthodoxies and erected new ones. The publication of 4 quartets led to his recognition as a great living English poet and man of letters. Man of letters means man of letter म्हणजे जो माणूस शब्द देतो तो पाळणारा शब्द असं आपण त्याला म्हणत असतो. In 1948 he was awarded both the Order of Merit and the Nobel Prize for the literature. त्यांना नोबेल प्राइज सुद्धा मिळालेला आहे, ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट. नोटेबल वर्क्स बघा, द वेस्ट लँड, यू हॅव टू रिमेंबर ऑल द नोटेबल वर्क्स बिकॉज इन सम टाइम वी हॅव गिवन नोटेबल वर्क्स in one section and another section the writer or the poet name is given, and we have to like correctly identify which work is for who has written that work by using options. Otherwise the work is given and who write this work is also the type of question asked in the examination, or the opening line of the work is given and we have to identify this work is from which book, that type of question is given, or closing line of the book or the famous quote of the book, and which book contains this famous quote type of questions are also asked, or books is given and in this book which famous quote contains is also type of question is asked. For that also you have to know that content, at least the book and the writer and the plotting of that book, or the main theme given in that book, main characters are also asked in some time, or the villain character or the heroic character or the tragic characters. In this way the questions are asked, so you have to prepare according to that. Notable works are The West Land, Murder in the Cathedral, The Dry Salvages, Burn Norton, East Cocker, Four Quarters, Little Gidding, The Sacred Wood, The Love Song of J.L. Alfred Prufrock, Savigny, Agnostres, then Movement, Style, Modernism, New Criticism, Subject of the Study, Poetry, Metaphysical Poets, Award and Honors, Nobel Prize 1948, founder of Criterion, in this type of. In early year, Eliot was descended from distinguished New England family that had relocated St. Louis and Missouri. His family allowed him the widest education available in his time, with no influence from his father to be the practical and to go into business. From Smith Academy in St. Louis, he went to Milton in Massachusetts. See, we have to learn every, because why we learn biography of that that literary work writer, or any writer, or most notable work writers. Why? Because we have to feel why they written that biography in that way, and you will also remember that their work, and you can just some imagine some works if you are forgotten in the exam. So we have to know a little bit about biography so that you can relate their work by heart. Okay. Then from Milton he entered Harvard in 1906. He received a BA 1909 after 3 instead of the usual 4 years. The men who influenced him at Harvard were George Santayana, the philosopher, and the poet critic Irving Babbitt. Now we will learn about the wasteland and criticism. See, this is published and in 1922 and 1922 of his poem, that is The Wasteland. Eliot won an international reputation from this poem. Okay, which poem? The Wasteland. The Wasteland expresses with great power of disenchantment, disillusionment, and disgust of the period after World War I. In a series of virginates loosely linked by the legend of the search of the Grail, it portrays a sterile world of panicky fears and barren lust and of human being, then waiting for some sign or promise of redemption. Then the poem style is highly complex, erudite, and allusive. In the poet provides notes and reference to explain the work, many quotation and allusions. This scholarly supplement distracted some readers and critics from perceiving the true originality of the poem, which lays rather in its rendering of the universal human predestination of man desiring salvation, and in its manipulation of language than its range of literary reference. In his earlier poem, Eliot had shown himself to be a master of the poetic phrase. The Wasteland showed him to be, in addition, a matrix of great virtuosity capable of astonishing modulation, ranging from sublime to the conversational. Okay. See, the Wasteland consists of 5 sections. In this we had to consist of 5 sections. ह्या poem मध्ये 5 section आहेत, and proceeds on a principle of रिओरेटिकल डिस्कंटिन्युटी. याच्यामध्ये रिओरेटिकल डिस्कंटिन्युटीचा फॉलो केलेला आहे. दॅट रिफ्लेक्ट्स द फ्रॅगमेंटेड एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ 20th century. फ्रॅगमेंटेड एक्सपिरियन्स आहे 20th century मधला. सेन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द ग्रेट मॉडर्न सिटीज ऑफ द वेस्ट. Eliot expresses the hopelessness and confusion purpose of life in the secularized city. The decay of Urbs Aeterna, the eternal city. This is ultimate theme of Wasteland, concretized and by the poem. Constant rhetorical shifts. Constant rhetorical shifts are there, and its juxtaposition of contrasting styles. Various juxtapositions are given in contrasting style, but the Wasteland is not simple contrast of the heroic past with the degraded present. It is rather a timeless stimulation, like stimulus awareness of moral grandeur and moral evil. The poem, originally manuscript of about 800 lines, was cut down in 433 at the suggestion of Ezra Pound. The Wasteland is not Eliot's greatest poem, though it is his most famous. Eliot said the poet critic must write programmatic criticism, that is, criticism that expresses the poet's own interest as a poet, quite different from historical scholarship, which stops in placing the poet in his background consciously. Then, intended or not, Eliot criticism created an atmosphere in which his own poetry could be better understood and appreciated. Then it had to appear in a literary milieu dominated by the standard of the preceding age in the essay. Tradition and individual talent appearing in his first critical volume, that is The Sacred Wood. Which is that one? The Sacred Wood in 1920. Eliot essayed that tradition as used by the poet is not mere repetition of the work for the immediate past, that is novelty is better than repetition, which is said by them is that is novelty is better than repetition. Then rather it compromises the whole of European literature. What is the compromise? The whole of European literature from Homer to the present. The poet writing in English was therefore make his own tradition by using material from any past period in any language. This point of view is programmatic in the sense that it disposes the reader to accept the revolutionary novelty of Eliot polyglot quotation and serious parodies of other poets' styles in the Westland. In this way, we have learned about T.S. Eliot. See, you have to remember major points, that is T.S. Eliot. He is American English poet, playwright and literary critic, and most important work written by him, he is modernist, his modernist movement in poetry, The Wasteland, published in 1922, most notable work. You have to remember most notable work. In some time they can ask from the following which of the work is not written by T.S. Eliot. In this type of questions can be asked, so that you should know. The Wasteland, Murder in Cathedral, The Dry Slavage. In this way you have to remind this one also, and some summary regarding the Wasteland and criticism. Okay, in this way we have completed this video. Please comment in the comment box that do you like this video and which point you learn from this video, and you are going to prepare for UGC NET, and how is your experience about preparation of UGC NET set. Okay, thank you, bye bye.